Okay, so in this question, this is definitely kind of a step-up question. We have to figure out what the mean score for all of the ninth graders. Okay, so we have here is we have that the mean score for this school is 78, and we know how many ninth graders took the test. And then for this high school, the mean is 91. So the question is, how can we generate the mean for all of the across the three high schools? All right, so what we can do here is recognize that to find the mean, we have to take the sum of all the score values and divide them by the number of scores. That means for every high school, we know what the mean is. We know how many people took the test, but we don't know what the sum of all the grades is or are is. And so looking at this formula, we can see that if we take, if the mean is the sum divided by the number of scores, then to find the sum, you have to take the mean, multiply them by the number of scores. So it's like, if you think about it more concretely, so 3 is 6 divided by 2, right? If I want to know what 6, to get 6, I would have to take the 3 and multiply by 2 to get 6. So I want to know the sum of all the scores. I would need to multiply the mean, 78, times the number of students in each school. That's what we're going to do first. We're going to find the sum of scores in each school. So for Glenwood, 78 times 2, 7. So that means the sum was 22,386. Then for Central City, it's 91 times 312. 28,392. And then Lincoln High, which is multiplying 69 by 181. So that's 12,489. So the reason why I want to do that is because if I want to find the mean across all ninth graders is, well, I want to know what the total number of ninth graders is, which I would get by adding up the number of ninth graders in each school. But I also need to know the total sum of their scores, which I would find by adding up the individual sum for each school, like so. Okay, and so now adding up all the sums, so 22,306, 1,392, and 12,489, that gives me, out of space, the total sum of all the scores across three high schools. I get it as 63,267. Now I'm going to divide that by the total number of ninth graders, which is 287 plus 312 plus 181. 780. Okay. All right. So, and now we can actually figure out the mean across all three high schools. So now I'm going to perform this. So 63,267 divided by 780 should give me, or it gives me, the mean of 81.11. Okay, so it's round to one decimal place. So that means I'm going to get rid of my 1 here. So 81.1 would be the correct. In other words, if you try to just average the means as they are, you're not accounting for the different sort of sample space of each high school. You're assuming that each of these means are coming from the same total number of kids. But anyway, so this is the correct